Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at how to solve linear systems graphically, level 1 and level 2. So basically what you want to do is you have a system of linear equations. And within the system there is one x and one y that is true for both equations. That there's a number of different x and y's that's true for one equation. There's a number of different x and y's that's true for the other equation, but there's only one that's true for both. So what you want to do is graph each line and figure out where they cross at. So that's what we're going to do here. So first I'm going to graph the first one here, and this first one I'm going to do in red. I start with the y-intercept, which is -1. And then I do the slope, which is up 5 and over 2. And then I draw the line. Alright, and next I'm going to do the second one in blue. So I've got 6 for the y-intercept. So on the y-axis I put a blue 6 here. And then I'm looking at the slope, which is -1 over 1, because it's a negative x, -1x. So I go down and to the right one. And then I draw that line. And then I look to see where the points cross, or the lines cross. So they cross right here at 2, 4. So that's my solution, 2, 4. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. Alright, so here you got -4. And you want to find the slope. Go up 3 and over to the right 2. -4 is the y-intercept. Go up 3 to the right 2 for the slope. And draw the line. Next you've got the y-intercept for the second one here. That's 6. And again, we've got a -1 for our slope, so -1 over 1. That means I go down 1 to the right 1. And I just draw the line. And where they cross at is 4, 2. So that's basically systems of linear equations. That's really easy when they're already in slope-intercept form. When they're not in slope-intercept form, that's where you get to level 2. So I'm going to show you some of those now. Okay, so here we've got how to solve linear systems graphically, level 2. The difference here is one is in slope-intercept form, but the other one is not. So you have to change it to slope-intercept form. But I'm going to start off with graphing the one that is. So the one on the left here is at, I've got y is equal to x minus 6. So I'll go ahead and go to -6 on the y-axis. I've got a slope of 1. This time it's positive. So I go up 1 and to the right 1 and make my point. And then I draw a line. So I've got that line going on. Alright, next I've got this 3x plus 5y is equal to 10. So I have to solve it for y. We've done a number of those, but I'm going to go ahead and show what that looks like once it's solved for y. Subtract the 3x on both sides, bring down the 5y, divide by 5 on each term, reduce the fraction. I've got y is equal to -3 over 5x plus 2. And now I have this in slope-intercept form. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and graph the blue one here. So I'm going to go to 2 on the y-axis. And I've got a slope of -3 over 5. So I'm going to go down 3 and then to the right 5. And then I'm going to draw my line. Okay, now that point is going to be 5, -1. So that's my answer. Alright, let's look at one more. Alright, so we're going to take the -1, that's the y-intercept. Then my slope is -1 over 4, so I'll go down 1 and to the right 4. And then I draw my line. Alright, now next I'm going to do x minus 2y is equal to -4. That's not solved for y. It's not in slope-intercept form. So I got to solve it first. So first I subtract the x on both sides. Bring down -x minus 4. Then I divide the -2 on every term. And that's going to leave me with y is equal to 1/2 x plus 2. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So now I've got the y-intercept, which is 2. And then the slope, which is 1 over 2, which means I go up 1 and over 2. And now I draw my line right there. And then see where they connect at. And they connect at -4, 0. So every time we solve this and get that point, what does that mean? Well, you got a -4, which is an x, and a 0, which is a y, for number 4 here. If we used to plug -4 in for x and 0 for y on the first equation, it will be true. If we plug it in on the second equation, it will also be true. So it's a system where both of these linear equations have this common point where both equations will be true if you plug those values in. But that's it. That's solving linear systems graphically, level 1 and 2. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.